Dear students, today I am going to take a question of quadratic equation. It has been put by Sridharacharya in his book also. And the question is very simple, but the language you may feel difficult to understand. And the question uses only the Pythagoras theorem to solve that. So, question is that if a peacock is sitting on the top of a pillar which is 9 meter high, from a point 27 meter away from the bottom of the pillar, a snake is coming to its hole at the base of the pillar. Seeing the snake, peacock pounces on it, and if their speeds are equal, at what distance from the hole is the snake caught? So, the question is here that peacock is sitting on the top of the pillar. Let us suppose that AB be the pillar, that is vertical, and the initial position of the snake be C, and the whole of the snake is at the bottom of the pillar, that is point B. Obviously, the distance CB is given as per the question is 27 meter, and this distance is horizontal. It means the angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Here you have to note down that. Now, if we assume that the speed of the snake and peacock both v meter per second, and let us also assume that the peacock catches the snake which is creeping on the ground. So, snake is moving along the line CB, and the peacock is coming from the direction AD, and the D is the point where the peacock catches the snake. And let us assume that time t second is taken by the peacock or to catch the snake. So, it means that in t seconds the snake reaches to point D, and the peacock reaches also to the point D, because he is catching the snake at point D. So, both should reach in the same time, so as to happen the event. So, CD is equal to x. If we assume that the snake has travelled a distance of x meter from initial position, then BD should be equal to 27 minus x. Now, here we are getting a right angle triangle, which is a triangle ABD, in which the hypotenuse AD is equal to x, because the distance should be same. Why AD is equal to x? Let us once again understand that because both have the same speed and both are taking same time. That is why CD must be equal to AD, and CD, as we have assumed already that it is x, so AD must also be equal to x. Now, let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. AD is hypotenuse, DB is base, and AB is perpendicular. So, let us write by PGT that AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. It means x square is equal to 9 square plus 27 minus x whole square. If I open the whole square, I get the next step. X square is equal to 81 plus 729 plus x square minus 54x, and which after simplification gives you 54x minus 810 is equal to 0, or you can get after cancellation x is equal to 15, and x as supposed by us was CD. So CD is equal to 15 meter. It implies that BD means the distance of the point where the peacock catches the snake from the hole is 27 minus x is equal to 27 minus 15, that is 12 meter. So, the snake is caught at a distance of 12 meter from the hole. The question was very simple, but the language was very difficult to understand. That is why most of the students hesitate to solve this problem. Hope you understood this. Thank you.